Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. So today we are here in the city of North Las Vegas in a new community called Del Webb. If you guys are not familiar with Del Webb, Del Webb is an age-restricted community across the country. The name of this builder is actually Pulte Homes. And this model right here is the Heaven model. Now the Heaven model, this is the second largest model for this single-story community. You have a total of 9 different floor plans to choose from. However, there's only 8 models to view and tour. We are located just south of the 215 out here in North Las Vegas, right off of Losi. You have nothing but ample shopping. So this model right here is 1,858 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 full bath, 2-car garage. The base price, the starting price is $404,990. What's included? It looks like you'll get the paver driveways here. As you can see, this is a 2-car garage, but you do have the option for the bicycle garage. That's right. The reason why I'm saying it's a bicycle garage is because it's not big enough to fit a car. However, you can fit a golf cart if you choose to. Now, there's 3 different elevations to pick and choose from. Now, what we're going to take a look at is we have these spikes up here. The reason why we have these spikes, it tells me that there's probably some birds, right? So some pigeons nesting up on here. Now, with these pigeons, once they start coming here, hatching some eggs, they just never leave. That's just part of the pigeon problem. Now, as you can see, we do have a 2-tone paint, and also with the 2-tone paint, what I like about this concrete stucco, we have 2 different textures that really brings out that contrast. Coming through this 8-foot door right here. Okay, let's take a look. As we come in, right to this little foyer, I'm going to take you straight back here. Not bad, right? You have a nice, beautiful 12-foot slider here. Covered patio. The covered patio will be included. That's right. Not bad of a floor plan, but we're going to start back here. Okay? Alright, let's come back here. Let's see what this is all about. So from the entry here, you have a 6-inch tray ceiling, and it looks like they clad it with some wallpaper, which is really nice, not bad. You have the skip draw texture on here with a 1/2-inch bullnose. Okay. Our first room here, located on the right as you enter, this would be considered a second bedroom. This bedroom is 11 by 11. I mean, it's a pretty decent size with a queen size bed here. We have a 9-foot ceilings with some transfer grills. So this room is pretty much just standard. As you can see, we do have a 4 rocker switch, which is really nice. One is for the light. Second one is for the lamp light. Third one is for the light for the ceiling fan. And the fourth one is for the ceiling fan alone. Now, this bathroom services as 2 people here. You have for the owner of this room and for your guest. So we have some decent sized cabinetry right here. So it looks like we have a, what size is this? Sometimes I get 36 inches on the cabinet. Actually 34s on these cabinets right here. 34. And it looks like you have your quartz undermounted sink. Moen is a fixture, the brand, and also the vendor for this company. So you have a 4-panel piece fiberglass tub shower combo with the shower rod. Okay. Upgraded 8-foot doors. Now you have some 6-inch baseboards here. These baseboards are an upgrade. However, some of this stuff needs to be cleaned up, as you can see on that trim. This right here is utilized as a den, but an option for a bedroom. Now, if you decided that you're going to do this, right, a den, then I believe this window right here would come standard. However, if you did a bedroom, you would not get this window. And then this would be all covered up, then you would just have your door. Not bad. Now on this one right here, as you can see, they did some nice 36 on the cabinets, height-wise, 24-inch on the depth. But look at the back. On this one, wallpaper. Almost looked like it was actually stacked stone. Good job on that. Had me fooled. Did we take a look at this closet? I think we did. Coming across the hallway here, keep in mind we have 24 by 24s on the porcelain tile with a 6-inch staggered 3/8 or 3/16 on the grout lines. Again, we have a refrigerator right here. This would be an option. Just make sure you get your designated 20 amp on here. 30 inches on the countertops, or 30 inches on the upper cabinets here with a 6-inch crown. And then you have some cabinetry. Washer and dryer, gas dryer. Right here is your 2-car garage. And your 36-inch panel alarm system. And upgraded on the sink. Alright, let's come down this way here. HOAs are going to be $198 a month. Why is this so expensive on the HOAs? Well, the reason why the HOAs are very expensive is because this is a full clubhouse, right? Clubhouse. You get golf community, motorcycle ride, community, paddle, tennis club. You got a pickleball. You got a bicycle club here. Now you got a softball, table tennis, tennis courts. There's all type of games, billiards room, bocce ball. I mean, there's so much that this place has to offer. They got Zoom classes. They got like bowling, Wi-Fi bowling. I'm not too sure what Wi-Fi bowling is. Maybe that's just your bowling online. Volleyball. So, I mean, this is a very active community. Also, keep in mind, you're probably wondering, oh, I can see a lot of these videos that you're putting out for this age 55 community and up. However, I'm not 55, but believe it or not, hey, the 10% rule. We have a total of 394 lots here. That means 39 homes can be sold to anybody, right? You don't have to be 55 as long as you meet that 10% rule. Now, unfortunately, we can't come outside. I love this little courtyard here with the stone. Now keep in mind, this lattice right above, this aluminum, will not be included. So this is something that you would have to do after the fact. Now let's take a look at this beautiful island. On this beautiful island with this 2-inch waterfall, 2-inch face right here. They did this one correctly. And I love the fact that they skinned the backside of this. Now, typically builders will just charge you to skin it. Also with this toe kick too as well. But you definitely have to skin it because that's the only way gives you that custom look. Whirlpool packaged appliances, I believe that is standard with this build. Again, you got that Blanca sink right here, stain resistant, or stain resistant. And you have a nice custom industrial, but also modern faucet. 3-can lighting. And you have your 42 upper cabinets with the light rails with the LED lights underneath. And your 36-inch cabinets here. And as you can see, you have your stove, your 4-burner on here. The washer, dryer, and the refrigerator are not included. Now let's take a look at the pantry here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves on the pantry. Okay, not bad. Now let's take a look at this. So this is going to be your dining. The fixtures will not be here. You have a 12-foot vinyl slide. These are not like your top notch on the slides. Covered patio will be included. Roughly lot size are going to be about 5,500. Like I said, you have a total of like 394 lots. Lot premiums are going to run you from $5,000 all up to 22, but that can also change too as well. Now, this built out with this cladding on this wall, this feature wall here, that will be an upgrade should you decide to do it. Now, I can tell you that that probably won't even be a option that you can do with this builder. Sometimes a lot of builders will add extra features to the home that their contractors will not do, and that's where you need to clarify everything. Now let's come back over here. Let's go into the master. Our thermostat located right here off to the right is a Honeywell. I believe contractors with the air conditioning company will be with Lennox. I believe that is the brand. Not bad for a bathroom here. Well, this is a long cabinet. Got the quartz. Again, you got the zero threshold. And then you have this herringbone type of tile that comes all the way around. You got your fiberglass tub. And there's me. What's up, everybody? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't had a chance. Also, check us out on Instagram too as well. Okay? So we have Gerber Toilet. Looks like a 24-inch, which is the height that I like. And your standard closet. What's nice about the standard closet is that they've already did the 2 shelves for you, and you have some more shelvings right here. And here's your attic access. Guys, let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are about this property so far. Now let's go take a look at the bedroom. Okay. Now for the bedroom, this is a 14 by 13. Not bad. Then you have the upgraded options for this door right here. Right? You do have carpet. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are about this property, if you can see yourself living here. Also, would you move into a community just like this if you're not at the age of 55? Keep in mind, you do have that option. Other than that, until then, I'm Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and have a blessed day.